Many times you need to provide feedback on a document or take notes at a meeting or a conference. Therefore, you need a quick and effective way to do so. Using Phantom PDF's powerful annotation tools for Mac, you can easily insert comments anywhere within your PDF document. To add comments to documents, which are also called annotations, we want to first click on the Comments tab. Within this tab, we have several capabilities to provide feedback on PDF documents. In this first example, we have a text-based document. The annotations we can apply include click on the text highlight button and tell the author to underline the title, let the author know to delete text with the strikeout button, remove and replace text, or insert text using the other text markup capabilities. My favorite type of annotation is to use the Notes button to pin a note and provide the author with a longer message. In this other example, we have an image we want to give feedback on. This case is a screen capture of our website. Annotations include the use of drawing tools and text boxes to indicate things to be moved around, area highlighting and notes, and call-out boxes. Start providing feedback on PDFs by using these powerful annotation tools.